verb tense workout for beginners. Choose the correct verb tense. For example, I say, "You are a student." Then I say, "Last year." Then you say, "Last year you were a student." I say the same thing, and you repeat it. Let's get started. Number 1. I played the piano yesterday. Yesterday, I played the piano. Please repeat. Number 2. I make a sandwich tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will make a sandwich. Please repeat. Number 3. He does his homework every night. Every night he does his homework. Please repeat. Number 4. We eat pizza the next time. The next time we will eat pizza. Number 5. I walk home, usually. Usually, I walk home. Number 6. I buy food next Saturday. Next Saturday, I will buy food. Number 7. She studies English last night. Last night, she studied English. Number 8. David knows the answer. Always. David always knows the answer. Number 9. I am late yesterday. Yesterday, I was late. Number 10. They need help. Sometimes. Sometimes they need help. Number 11. She says hello. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, she will say hello.